Welcome to the Lydian world, the blockchain game where you can earn, learn, and have fun. 2022, the world has changed, the internet changed, and the rise of the blockchain changed the entire industry and forced us to rethink. Blockchain gaming became the day-to-day opportunity to generate income. Some chase the mining, while others are doing the trading. The pursuit of our unlimited incoming resources has begun. Whatever it takes, leaving behind the unknown and embracing the new technology, the new era, the Lydian world. Here, the unlimited income resources are waiting to be claimed, but not without our engagement. We are the driving force of the Lydian world. We are the Lydians. The strategy is entirely in our hands, and we can choose which citizenship to get in order to build a future for our beloved ones. Passionate about mining or in need of a crypto-friendly credit card, a highly active trader who needs extra guidance, a developer who wants to promote his project, or a society-educated gamer who aims to make profits out of his own NFT shop and enjoys the time gaps with the Telegram trivia. You are connecting to the Lydian world incoming resources. Every single action of more than already 350,000 citizens is distributing rewards into Lydian world. Every time a card is swiped, every time an NFT transfer is completed, while you play, even while you sleep, Lydian world rewards you. It continues with a new vision, but do you know what marks the success? Perseverance, imagining the unimagined, and above all, possessing your own piece of virtual land to transform a grand idea into a grand reality. Pick a land. Press a button. Up you go. Behold your decentralized property, built to stand the test of time. Open your own business and share it with the others. From outwards to the city center area, until zone by zone, the city is taken over by its citizens. Multiple digital businesses rise alongside. A new era of luxury, shopping arcades, medical offices. Throw open their doors to an unlimited era, the blockchain. But something is missing. The design of your building is a way to define your own business, where you can approach your own digital architect. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. After all, with the power to create and trade, whoever holds the land NFT shapes the city forever. So, what is your vision?
Volatility in the crypto market is massive right now. This rise and fall of the market is almost impossible to predict. However, it also brings with it massive potential. Right now, everyone has the opportunity to start making money. Even small funds today could create new millionaires of tomorrow. GSPartners.global presents you with a unique product. NFT certificates which give you access into the metaverse. These meta certificates are the key to a virtual world where you are able to gain, win, and earn. Go back 10 20, 30 years ago, when Amazon started onboarding multiple partners and suppliers, all participating and offering their products in this new technology called the internet. In this new market of the technology age, now we have the next evolution of the internet era, a new market with a new technology called blockchain. Welcome to the metaverse markets of NFTs, technology partners, celebrities, all coming together in one new world, Lydian World. You'll meet many tech partners, developers, influencers. Technology partners include BV Swiss, a decade old, top-tier European financial brokerage. Celebrities and sports champions include Floyd Mayweather, Roberto Carlos, and many more. Build meta cities, sell NFTs, play games, earn through MetaBroker, meta mining, and tap into all the income resources of Lydian World. Get your Metaverse Certificate NFT today and start to earn from our multiple opportunities right now. The evolution is Lydian World. The evolution is now. The origins of life in the universe. First stages in human evolution. First simple technologies that started making our life easier. Welcome to Lydian World. We are glad to introduce our multi-ecosystem. Here, the rewards are generated thanks to the fees applied to each service or product behind an income resource such as staking pools, credit card swipe commissions, mining fields, assisted trading, non-fungible tokens marketplace, interactive airdrops, mainnet masternodes, trivia games, etc. Available on platforms and devices. More than 3 million users expected by the end of 2022 could reach a milestone of $5 billion in total resources. Lydian World, the place where you can explore, earn, and have fun.
About us.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. How's everyone doing on this beautiful Thursday morning? It is officially September the 1st. So we made it through August, and we just hope you're a little richer. We hope you're more educated about finance and about understanding how to generate more income. Unless you don't need more income, right? But I always need more income and I always want more income. Why? Because when you live a life in America, in the United States, it's always something that comes up. It's always something where there's a malfunction on the car, something wrong with home repair, somebody needs something, somebody's sick, right? It's always something that causes us to have to go into a stash. I have to liquidate assets or do something because we need some cash on deck, right? Because you need cash in this world to rule. That's why they say cash is king. However, that's being done away with, and we are just bringing to you opportunities in the fintech blockchain sector, meaning we are just showing you ways on how to get paid using the blockchain for your benefit, banking over the blockchain, getting compound interest on your money where nobody's going in debt, nobody's suffering, but we are using that to do it because the traditional ways, they just don't work. They don't generate enough income, and it's definitely not producing millionaires and billionaires from that old traditional way of thinking about money and what we need and what we can do with money, right? And how to grow money. So we just providing you that in FardMoney Network. Cryptocurrency still has the moment. We're still in the moment of cryptocurrency, make no mistake about it, but we just like to update you on what's going on, what big corporations are doing, what major players are doing in the world when it comes to blockchain, when it comes to crypto, NFTs, and metaverse. So let's go today and let's take a look at CoinMarketCap and see what some of the top cryptocurrencies are doing and see what cryptocurrency in general is doing and see what they're doing in general, because this is where the world is heading. But remember, we in FardMoney Network, as a new millennium banker, we never tell you to just get a coin and hold it. That is kind of doing crypto like that is kind of like 2017, 2018 crypto. We beyond that now. We show people how to get paid in crypto, whether if it's going down, up, or what. So let's look at today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is 972.42 billion. That is down, a decrease over the last day of 2%. 2%. Bitcoin is trading at $19,896.93. In last hour is down 0.55%. Last 24 hours is down 2.12%. In the last 7 days is down 8.26%. Ethereum is trading at $1,551.65. It is down 0.77%. The last hour, last 24 hours is down 2.62%. In the last 7 days is down 9.12%. Then we have Tether. These are the top three. Coming in at a close second is USD coin. Now, Tether, USD coin, and you see this Binance USD coin. These are stable currencies. They don't go up or down. They stay stabilized because they're supposed to be paired to a dollar. All right. So Tether is the #1 stable coin in the world. So it's always a dollar. You got a Tether, you got one Tether, you got $1. Tether volume over the last 24 hours is over $45 billion. Now, these are not the only stable coins. Like in our ecosystem Gold Standard Bank, we also have a stable coin that's paired to the euro. All right, to the euro. But these coins, they don't go up or down. And the reason I want to show that, because when we talk to people that's not really educated and don't understand the terminology between utility and stable, they don't understand when we saying, well, because they see what we got, they say, oh, it's crypto. Our Bitcoin lose. Why would I want Bitcoin? Last 7 days is down 8%. Well, that can change overnight, over day, in an hour. That can change. That can literally change right now while we on the screen. And it can be up 10%, right? However, And what we have in Gold Standard Bank, not only do we have a way for you to get paid in Bitcoin, Ethereum, in USD Tether, in the Binance stablecoin, and we also have a way for you to get paid in our stablecoin called the G Euro. So you don't have to worry about what the market is doing. It's a stablecoin. Pad 1 G Euro is 1 Euro. So you don't have to worry about that. So when we bring you this, you don't have to say, oh, it's crypto. Well, crypto has stable coins that don't go down. So that's why USD Tether has so much volume, because the traders, the crypto traders, they take their profit and convert their profit into Tether. So if Bitcoin is in a down trajectory, is going down right now, Ethereum going down right now, they take their profits out and put it in Tether, and they don't have to worry about it going up. So when Bitcoin and Ethereum and these utility coins start going back up, they're going to go back into Bitcoin, Ethereum right away. This is what they do. This is just some of the hidden science that they do. Now, I don't do this. Why? Because I'm not a trader, right? I know how to do some trades. I'm not nowhere near a professional, but that's not something I sit around and do. I build brands. I build a network. I focus on building the network that's paying me in Bitcoin and Ethereum, paying me in Tether, paying me in Binance stablecoin, paying me in the G Euro stablecoin, paying me in our G999 coin. Talking about the G999 coin, let's go take a look at it. Now, I know, like you said, why would I want Bitcoin and it's down 8.39%? Well, that mean I lost. Well, I have Bitcoin, I have Ethereum, and I don't no way near feel like I lost, because for one, I know how to leverage these coins. For one, I know how to get maximum value out of these coins. And for two, I'm getting paid in it. And if it's down, I wouldn't liquidate no Bitcoin or Ethereum when it's down. Why? Because it's down. I can just hold it and wait till it go up. But if I just needed cash on deck, it was my income anyway. So I haven't lost anything out of my net worth. Y'all follow what we're saying? This can, when you get paid in these coins from building a business, when you're accepting it as a medium of exchange, as a everyday currency, then it's your income. So I'm not losing with Bitcoin like this. And I might have had some Bitcoin when it was 23,000, 24,000, but I haven't lost anything, because when I need it, I will liquidate it in a heartbeat if I need some cash, because my network, our network generates this Bitcoin, generates this Ethereum, generates Tether, generates the G999 coin. But let's take a look at what the G999 coin is doing. Now, the reason that I would rather get paid in any utility coin, Bitcoin or Ethereum, or the G999 coin, because it has the potential to go up. Dollars don't have the potential to go up. I am sorry. I know we love cash, but we won't just deal with some reality. This is September the 1st, and we are excited because we had we ended the month strong in August. We had a good month, and it's always a good month when you're in business for yourself. It's always a good month when you have leverage. It's always a good month when you get paid in your sleep. Now, me and my wife was talking about our total team revenue over the last 21 months with Gold Standard Bank when we launched this network. And I said, I'm not gonna tell you the number right now, but I said we're gonna do that later. December the 1st, we're gonna release what we have did in team revenue to the public. We're not gonna release that and talk about that now, but December the 1st, we're gonna release that. All right, what we did in 2 years with GS Partners, because some of y'all see us and say, you ain't no business owner. You ain't it. Listen, do you think Mark Zuckerberg is a business owner? What's his business? What's his business? Do you think Jeff Bezos is a business owner? What's his business? Do you think the Waltons, are they business owners? What are they business? Right? Do you think Elon Musk, do you think these people are business owners? I just want to know. Do you think the man that own and run Binance, that's worth over $60-something billion, do you think he a business owner? Why you don't think that? Why? Because it's online. Jeff Bezos is worth $200 billion from an online business. Amazon is strictly online. There's no Amazon shopping store that you can go into anywhere in the world, right? Is it? I haven't never seen that. I want something Amazon. I have to go to Amazon website and order something, right? Is that correct? Now, if I'm wrong, somebody type in the comment section and correct that for me, right? Have you ever went into a store and bought Amazon product? Have you ever bought anything from Amazon and you walked into a physical store, right? Where is that store located at? Let me know. I'm just asking questions, all right? Because we know people look at us and they don't say, oh, this is a business owner. This is this. No, they just in networking. No, when you get in network marketing, you open up and start your own business. Now, your product just come from this company, but Amazon has that too. But they just don't have it like we have it. And they're not going to pay you from fees and all of the revenue of it. So I'm happy to be a bank branch to Gold Standard Bank, right? I'm a walking bank. I am the bank. I am happy to show people and to help close the wealth gap because that's what we are doing in FardMoney Network. I don't know what you're doing. We are closing the wealth gap. So all of our revenue has put wealth into the people's pocket, has put wealth into their net worth, has put wealth into their portfolio. No dollar has been spent because we don't have liability products in Gold Standard Bank. That's why we are new millennium bankers, because the way we are making money, the way we are banking is just straight off the grid, unseen. Folks haven't seen it. That's why it's taking long for people to catch up to what we're doing with Gold Standard Bank, because it's never been seen before, never been done before. But December the 1st, we're going to release to you our revenue. But back to the story. So I told my wife, I said, baby, we did this much revenue less than 2 years from the phone, from the laptop, and majority of the revenue was made in our sleep. More than half of it came while we was sleeping or doing something else. Y'all ain't hear that, did it? See, because when you build something, you build for the long term. I started building FardMoney Network almost 6 years ago, 5 years ago. So some of the stuff that I'm experiencing now, it didn't happen in the first 2 years of FardMoney Network. But now we in the 5th year, going into the 6th year. Y'all follow what we're saying? And we just going to rate what we did in the last 2 years because we had to pivot and shift. All right, so the G999 was just doing good, as you just saw, and it just went back down. That happens. That's what cryptocurrency does. All right, so, okay, it's still up 16.31% in the last 24 hours. That's the G999 coin, and we get paid in that as well. But let's get into our article, and this is going to segue to what we want to talk about because this is significant. Just our article alone is significant because this is what's happening. Now, the world is doing all type of things. These corporations, these big business owners, they are getting heavily involved in crypto. Now, why we sit around and wait on it to happen? No, business owners, big business owners, wealthy people, they don't do that. They get involved early. Why? Because they're going to reap the most benefits. So we trying to put you in it because look at this article. This is in Brazil. Brazilian brokerage platform called Rico. Listen at the language. Brazilian brokerage platform Rico to offer cryptocurrency services next year. Now, the reason we don't have to really get into it, we can get into it a little bit, but the reason I picked this article to show is to, didn't we tell you what that ticker say at the bottom of the screen? We already have a brokerage firm with us called BD Swiss. Now we don't have BD Swiss accounts. We don't have to. BD Swiss has become a partner with Gold Standard Bank in our Lydian World Metaverse. So their services, being a brokerage firm, a tech brokerage firm, they have brought this to our ecosystem. So all you got to do to have BD Swiss as your broker is to have a gold standard partners account. That's all you have to do. So I'm showing this because this is like the second or third article that we done brought to you by the broker's firm getting into crypto. This is the one. So let's read the first paragraph. Rico, a Brazilian brokerage platform part of XP Incorporation, has announced its plan to enter the cryptocurrency market next year. The division is expanding its operation and will also enter the banking sector, launching digital account services and a credit card. The platform follows in the footsteps of companies like Nubank and others that have already included crypto in their service portfolio. Rico to expand operations to crypto and banking. Brazilian companies and banks are entering the cryptocurrency business as a way of offering a complete package of investments under just one organization. Rico, a Brazilian brokerage firm part of XP Incorporation, has announced it's expanding its portfolio of operation to include new services, including crypto. The company told NeoFeed it plans to launch a cryptocurrency exchange on its platform for the next year and also to enter into the world of insurance. In the same way, the company expects to launch a digital account with an associated card by the end of this year. This is just to give you some things, and we're just putting you in front and showing us what's happening. This is happening. This is in Brazil. This is happening. So they're getting into it headstrong. So we want to show you what we have with our brokerage firm, right? Because Rico's not going to offer you this, but we have it, and we're not talking about something next year. We're talking about something right now as we speak. So let's take a look at our Meta brokerage certificates, and we also call them Meta portfolio. So let's take a look at them, and let's look at the rates that we have, or what this certificate can do for you and your family when it comes to income. Now, do you need income? Raise your hand if you need more income, right? Because we talk to people all the time, and it's like they already rich. They like, hey, they already rich. They don't need it, right? So, and now we introducing this, and this is the world leader of this. We have the first metaverse brokers accounts. Nobody else has this. So you can be one of the first people to get into it before the world gets into it. All right, because that's what we see going on. So let's take a look at Lydian World Metaverse Portfolios. Find out more about the Metaverse Portfolios by clicking here. So let's look at them. Let's look at them. All right. Now, we have 8 of them. Artemis. Now, these certificates work twofold. Really threefold, but we're just going to deal with the 2. They work twofold. You got a price of the certificate that pays weekly. Then you got the load, max load, also considered max deposit of the certificate that pays quarterly. Both price points pay. Okay. Artemis is $250 to get the certificate, $250 to activate the certificate. So that's $500. But they don't unlock no bonus with this, and this will pay, it will pay 18% every quarter on average, and it'll pay on average about 1.38% per week. And you can compound the weekly earnings. So if you want to automate, just say you got $500 and you wanted to, like, in 18 months, you can like triple it. You can triple the $500. And whatever the max load is, max deposit, that money comes back when the 18-month contract is up. You can get as many of them as you like. All right. Then you got the Hermes, starting from the Hermes going on up, it unlocks a bonus. It unlocks a bonus. The Hermes is 1,000 price that pays 4.15% per week, 1,000 max load that pays quarterly, 18%. And you can compound the interest here. Now, this one unlocks a bonus of 4,500 for metal mining, metal trade, and it turns on the metal portfolio, which would be more than 1,000 to be quite frank. Then we have the Aphrodite. Then we have Apollo. So let us just go down. Let's just bypass them and let's take a closer look and let's look at Athena. Metal portfolio, contract period 18 months. The price of the certificate is $10,000. The max load, max deposit is $15,000. So to get this one activated, this is $25,000. But look what it's gonna earn you. Once you max the load with this, it unlocks a bonus of $50,000. So you get $18,750 for metal mining, which puts something on your metal mine max load, which is over $350,000. So that gets you started with that. Then you have metal trade bonus of $18,750 for metal trade, which is scheduled to start sometime this week. So you got that. Then your metal portfolio is $12,500. Okay, $12,500. The price of the certificate is going to pay, on average, 4.15%. That's over $400 a week with this one, on average, that you can compound. The portfolio is going to generate 6% monthly on average, but paid out quarterly. And at the end of the contract, the max load money is released back to you because this is a deposit. Well, what about the $10,000? Well, the $10,000 is paying you for one, and it gives you $10,000 that you can go use in Lydian world, Lydian lions that's worth $10,000. One Lydian lion is $1 that you can go use in our metaverse Lydian world to do what? To buy NFTs that pay more positions. If you got other certificates, you can use the Lydian lines to help do your meta mining to generate you more income in Lydian Stata. And the weekly payout here and the monthly payout here is paid out in our stable coin, the G Euro. The G Euro. So the Athena, if you compound the earnings every week for 18 months, delayed gratification, don't use it. You're going to be getting $400 a week, about $1,600 a month. All right. And your quarterly payout is going to be around something like, I think it's almost $12,000 per quarter. That's what you're going to be getting, right? If you compound your weekly, that goes up. Now, if you compound this one for the whole 18 months, this 25,000 balloons to something like 130 something thousand over that. It's just math. See, it's just compound interest. If you compound, you get interest and you compound it, it makes it more, right? Even if you didn't compound, this 25,000 will still generate you something like, let me see, one more. Without compounding the Athena, it will still generate something like an additional 80,000 without you compound passive income. Oh my goodness. 80,000 in 18 months. Remember your 15,000 coming back to you. So if you didn't compound, if you did just utilize it for whatever you want to utilize it, the profits on it is around something like 80,000. That's without compounding. If you compound it and delay the gratification for the whole 18 months, you're looking at close to about 140,000 plus your 15,000 coming back. Now this is I know this one here is a little high, but I just wanted to use that one because it's I wanted to just use that one because it works. It's more simpler to explain it, right? And sometimes we got to think big. Sometimes we be thinking small. Well, we need to be thinking big, you know. Well, we need to be thinking big. Why not? What's stopping us from thinking big? So if you don't, you can't afford that one, and there's one go higher than that. The Hero, the Poseidon, And the Zeus is a real live animal, right? The Zeus is a real animal that we probably will go over that tomorrow, but that's how they work. And you can get as many as you like. If the 25,000 too much for you, well, 2,000. 2,000 too much, 5,000. Well, if you like, well, I got a little more than that. With an Aphrodite, right? That's 5,000. Apollo, 10,000. And they work the same. It's just more. So Apollo is 5,000 price, 5,000 max load. Bonus 22,000. So in your melted portfolio is 5.5 thousand. $5,500, generating 6% monthly, paid out quarterly. The 5,000 price is going to generate the 4.15% per week. So this is like $200,000. This 5,000, this is 10,000 out of pocket, and this will balloon to something like over 60,000. If compound every week, even if you didn't compound that one, that still will balloon. That 10,000 will still bring you back about 32,000 in profit. Oh my God, come on now. This is the gold standard bank way. We bank like no other. We're a fintech company. We're a fintech bank, rather, like no other. That's what we is. And for those that don't know, fintech only means financial technology, right? And that's what we're doing. We're bringing you digital banking service powered by RG999, mainnet blockchain, and a host of other connected blockchains as well. All right. So with that being said, family, make sure you subscribe to FardMoney Network. Make sure you subscribe to New Millennium Bankers. Make sure you are sharing this out. This is Crypto Mornings. We do Crypto Mornings live 5 days a week. We know we missed everybody yesterday, but we was getting prepared for the last day of the month for we can kick off and run for this next 90 days from September the 1st to December the 1st. All right, so we are running, and we just wanted to take a breather, reorganize, restructure, refocus, and get ready for this 90-day run right here, because we are trying to accomplish a whole lot. So Project Exodus 10,000 is in full effect. Get with the person that shared this with you. If you want to be a new millennium banker, if you want this income, if you want to bank like this, then you can go to www.fardmoney.info and you can get involved and become a participant in Project Exodus 10,000. And Project Exodus 10,000 is about us saving 10,000 families from what's about to happen to this banking ecosystem along with the United States dollar. We are trying to give people an arc, a safe haven to get not only why it's going down to survive it, but to thrive, right? So we're not planning for the future. We are planning to survive, because that's what it's about. We got to get in survival mode, all right? So come bank with us. Come join us. Project Exodus 10,000, powered by New Millennium Bankers and FardMoney Network. We make money and we bank like no other. Come get down with us today. Don't wait, so you can experience freedom, because we're going to try our best to take you to freedom within the next 90 days. So if you want to be free, if you want this passive lucrative income, if you want to help save people and do something meaningful with your life, well, we have the mission, we have the goals, we have the system in place. All you got to do is come get in and don't play. All right. With that being said, family, we will see you in the morning. We out of here.